Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing of the Top Fin all-in-one 3-gallon Betta aquarium starter kit here. So this basically gives you everything except for gravel, of course water, and the fish. You get basically everything else, which is really cool. This was on sale for only $30, so I could not pass it up. It's been a little while since we've done an actual fish tank. There's what it all includes. You want to pause the video, go ahead. And yeah, so here it recommends gravel, plants, and decor. Go ahead and take it out of this little bottom bit here. And get rid of that fast. So again, this is the essential all-in-one. As you can say, 25% on water care and filter media from Top Fin. Here is the top. We'll come back to that in a moment here. Let's see what we all got. How to get this out here. So it is on cardboard. Alright, I unglued it from the cardboard there. So we have test vial. So if you need your water tested, you can put it in that, bring it into PetSmart, and they'll test your water. We have the Betta leaf here, so stick to the side of your tank and your Betta may use them. Past I've tried using these, I've had no luck, but some people do have luck with them. Then we have a very basic thermometer, stick on thermometer here on the ground. Then we have a 20-watt tank heater for up to 5-gallon tanks. So that's probably one of the things you don't usually see in kits. Are heaters, so that is really cool. So you actually got a decent sized net. You can see it's actually about the same size as the tank. Your instruction manual there. Let's see what else we got in here. So some of this is kind of glued in here, so make sure you get that glue out, or whatever you call that stuff, maybe just silicone or whatever. Just make sure you get it out. So we always used to call this cow's knot. Don't know what it's actually called, but it's like the sticky glue stuff. There's still some stuck at the bottom. Just again, make sure you get it out of there before you fill up this tank. And of course, take off the coupons here as well. You guys can see that too well. You have 25% off Top Fin filter cartridge as well as a water care. Let's see, we're going into this. Here is the filter. This is actually a nicer filter than what you normally get. Reason for that being, you actually get biological media. Not too many of these tanks come with biological media. So that's really nice. And then, of course, you have your little standard cartridge here as well. And then this filter is called the SP20 filter. So if you do need to find these, yeah, that's what you'll look for. Here is the bottom part of the filter, the actual pump part. Sorry, it's hard for you guys to see this, but it does 20 gallons per hour and does not seem to be adjustable, which is kind of saddening. And then in the last magical box, you get your switch and your plug. So on or off, there is no different modes. Then let's take a quick look at the top here that I kind of ditched a moment ago. So nice, very flat. It has a flap here for your filter. I don't know if you can take that off or not. You also have a feeder flap here. And then nice long LED. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 LEDs. Imagine this should be nice and bright. We will see in a moment here. Alright, there it is with the hood on and the filter inside. And with the lights on, I mean, I have 2 lights beaming down on this, and also I have camera flash on. These lights are nice and bright, so I can at least turn off a couple of lights here. Get a bit of a better idea. Yeah, you guys can see that is nice and bright. We'll give a better showing of this when we do our setup and actual review of it, which do stay tuned for, as I will be doing those videos. This is glass. For those that want to know, this is a glass tank. Of course, the bottom bit is plastic. And of course the hood is plastic. All the normal bits are plastic, but the tank itself is actually glass. Make sure you do check out your silicone that is inside here, all around the edges and up in here. In these bits, it is nice and thin, but it looks nice. But down here, just make sure it's not like crazy chipped away or missing bits, as that could lead to leakages down the road, or right away, or tank breakage. So just make sure your silicone looks good before you actually put water in it. Yeah, stay tuned for more videos come on this. I also have another tank I'm going to be doing a video on in the next day or two here. So as always, thank you guys very much for watching. I really do appreciate you. Hope you all have a good one. See you guys next time. Goodbye.